Welcome back to What's the Buzz in Western New York. DeGraff Memorial Hospital was established in 1914 to serve the healthcare needs of Buffalo's Northtown communities. Their team of skilled healthcare professionals are dedicated to providing quality, compassionate, personalized care for patients with a broad range of inpatient and outpatient health needs. DeGraff is dedicated to excellence through state-of-the-art technology, exceptional physicians and staff, ranking the hospital among the best in the delivery of overall patient satisfaction. From critical to long-term care, from orthopedics to rehabilitation, DeGraff provides a full spectrum of services. As part of Kaleida Health, the largest healthcare provider in Western New York, DeGraff has established an identity with a difference. Western New York, we are back at the DeGraff Memorial Hospital, and we are speaking with Dr. Lynch. Hello, sir.
Hi, good to see you.
It's good to see you, too. So there are exciting things happening here, expansions, renovations, and you have a particular department that you're very proud of.
Right, so we're in the middle of a nearly $8 million renovation and building really a brand new emergency department here.
A brand new emergency department that includes some staff that you're very proud of.
Right, so what a lot of people don't realize is we're actually staffed by UBMD Emergency Medicine here. The same exact doctors that work at ECMC and Buffalo General and sometimes Children's will be working out here, sometimes like 2 days in a row, one day at ECMC, one day out here at DeGraff.
So this wonderful hospital that's on the border of Erie County and Niagara County has the same doctors that you'd have in downtown Buffalo,
right.
The same level of care.
Right.
So I can't wait to see the expansions and all the new stuff. So where are we going first?
We'll go to radiology first.
Okay, excellent.
Great. Oh, hi guys.
Ooh, look at all. So Dr. Lynch, we are in one of the newest departments here in the hospital. What are we looking at?
Right, so this is our brand new fluoroscopy room. That's really kind of like a live x-ray machine. So it produces a video as opposed to a still image.
So that the person, the radiologist reading the image can actually see the motion of what the body's doing?
Right, exactly. So for things like a full complement of GI procedures, other radiologic procedures, we can obtain a video of whatever action we're looking for. And then our on-site board certified radiologist reads that video and then can produce a report for the specialist.
Excellent. All right. Well, I can't wait to see what's next. Where to?
Great. Well, we'll go up to geriatrics.
Okay. So, Dr. Lynch, this is the Geriatric Center of Western New York at the DeGraff Hospital. Tell us about this department.
So we're really lucky to have the Geriatric Center located right within DeGraff Memorial Hospital. And interestingly enough, it's really an outpatient service to the community, not just for patients that are admitted to the hospital.
So anyone who's in the area who would need a kind of a whole person look at their geriatric care would come here from the community.
Right, so focusing on patients 70 years and older, the geriatricians or the geriatric doctor really focuses on kind of coordinating all their care. They also have a social worker here on staff that can help with kind of social needs, and the whole point is to really consolidate care to one place and making it very easy for the patient.
So really accessible, because when you are a geriatric patient, things can get really confusing with all the doctors and all the
right.
meds, and so you bring everything together here in this center, and it really helps to keep people healthy and safe.
Exactly. We're very lucky to have it right in the hospital.
So where are we going next, Doc?
We'll go down to the rehab center.
Excellent. So, Dr. Lynch, we are in the rehab facility within the hospital, and things are moving and shaking here just like every other department that we've had the opportunity to explore. So tell us a little bit about what's going on in the rehab department now.
So we're really lucky to have a full complement of rehabilitation services all on the DeGraff campus. And that's not really just limited to like sports medicine therapy. Things that happen here are like post-stroke neurologic rehab, cancer rehab like lymphedema treatments, and then also something less known as a vestibular rehab, like for chronic dizziness, and it's all done right here.
So you've got any kind of recovery, whether it's from surgery or neurological or illness, and it's of course open to the community, outpatient, and DeGraff has really got you covered.
Right, for sure, and the convenient thing is that it's right here, it has its own entrance, super easy.
Yeah, easy in, easy out. And then a couple of other departments. You have an infusion department. Maybe tell us a little bit about that.
So the infusion center recently started doing chemotherapy, just more efforts to create lots of different services all in one small footprint.
So you don't necessarily have to go all the way downtown for
Right.
chemotherapy. You can stay closer to home, closer to family, and of course when anyone's going through that kind of time in their life, having a place that has easy access is so important.
Right, and really right in many people's backyard.
Yeah, right. And then you do a lot with wound care.
Right. So we have a multidisciplinary wound care clinic that is staffed with surgeons, wound care specialists, all in the same, really in the same center. And again, it just goes back to the point of trying to keep many services all together under one roof.
So Western New York, the DeGraff Memorial Hospital really has everything that you could need. Inpatient, outpatient, for your health, for your well-being, and the doctors that you'll find downtown, you'll find here, right on the border of Erie County and Niagara County. Thank you so much, Dr. Lynch, for taking us around. The hospital is just moving and grooving. So many wonderful things have come to the hospital, and there are still new things for the community. So even though there's construction in Western New York, the DeGraff Memorial Hospital is open for business.
Yeah, we can't wait for you to come back and we'll show you the new ER.
Sounds exciting.
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.